Hey guys, so I received this hot water bottle for review purposes. And as you can see, it's a hot water bottle that you can use to cover some parts of your body, which I think that's nice. This is where you pour the water in. You just twist it open and pour it in, which I think that it's really simple. It has two neat covers. This is the first one. As you can see, it has a really nice color. And the other one, okay? These knitted covers are so you can have it upon your skin, which I think that it's nice. We have a letter that we can use with to give it as a gift. Many different stickers to use with them. And the information manual with all the steps and information that we're going to have to know about these hot water bottles, which I think that it's really, really nice. Okay, it comes in different languages, which I think that it's excellent. And it has the steps on the drawings like here, which I think that is great. So let's go ahead and test them out. As I've said, to open them, we just twist the cap off and we can pour the water directly. I'm going to leave this right here and fill it up. And when we have it ready, we can place the cap back on. And as you can see, it's ready, okay? It doesn't have any leakage, which I think that it's really, really great. As you can see, it doesn't leak any water. And now we can place one of the knitted covers that we want. I'm going to place this one. Just passing through the opening like this. And we have it ready. You can place it upon your belly if you want. You can place it on your arms, wherever you want to use it. I think that it's really, really nice. It's really comfortable and it has a perfect size that you can fill it up all the way that you want, which I think that it's really, really great. And to take the water off, we can just obviously open it up once again and pour it in wherever we want, okay? Overall, I think that it's really, really nice. As I've said, it has a perfect size and it doesn't have any end leakage, which I think is perfect and I would really recommend it. See you guys.